In this video, I will show you how you can open videos in Video Player by default on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now, if I open any video in the Gallery app of my Samsung phone, it will not open in the Video Player by default. Now, to make the videos open in the Video Player by default, in the Gallery app, just tap on Menu, and from here, just tap on Settings. Under Gallery Settings, just scroll down and tap on About Gallery. Now on this page, just tap on the Gallery version a few times until you enable Gallery Labs. After you enable Gallery Labs, then just go back. Now on this page, if you scroll down even more, you will find the option for Gallery Labs. Now just tap on it. Now on this page, just scroll down, and under One UI 3.x, you will find the option for Film Strip in Viewer. Now just make sure you disable this option. After you disable this option, then tap on Video Player Mode on Film Strip. Now as you can see, this option is grayed out. Now to fix this issue, just go back and tap on Gallery Labs one more time. Now just scroll down. Now this time, this option is not grayed out. Now just tap on it. Now instead of None, just select Legacy Video Seekbar. After you do that, then just select OK. Now if you go back to the Gallery app and if you open any video, the videos will open directly in the video player by default, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.